Darkness, my old friend, I've come to talk with you again, because a vision softly creeping left its seeds while I was sleeping, and a vision that was planted in my brain still remains, and touched the sound of silence. In restless dreams I walked alone, in narrow streets of cobblestone, neath the halo of a street lamp. I've turned my color to a cold and damp, when my eyes are stabbed by the flash of a neon light that split the night, and touched the sound of silence. For said I, you do not know, silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you, take my arms that I might reach you, but my words like silent raindrops fell and echoed in the wells of silence, and the people bowed and prayed to the neon god they made, and the sun flashed out its warning in the words that it was forming, and the sign said the words of the prophets are written on the subway walls and tenement halls, and whispered in the sound of silence.